Hi there, welcome to our latest Minimizer video blog. It's been a while. I'm Caleb Ostrander, and it is a busy time of year for us, no doubt. First and foremost, we're in the middle of our trade show crunch. It's Q1, of course, so we've got numerous trade shows we're targeting. You can see the list there on your screen. A lot of shows on the docket, including 2 logging conferences, TMC, NTEA, MATS, that's just to name a few. These trade shows are invaluable for end users because you can test our Long Haul Series seat and mattress, and you can get more information about Minimizer products. And they're also great for us because we get end user feedback on everything we have to offer. Now, in case you didn't hear, Minimizer has acquired one of the oldest names in trucking, Premier Manufacturing. Premier is well known for their couplings and pintle hooks, and while our 2 companies are now in cahoots, operations will remain separate. Minimizer, of course, is building a brand new 100,000 square foot facility here in Minnesota, and Premier will remain out in Oregon. They're known for the highest quality products in their category, so it's a great fit with the Minimizer brand. Speaking of our new facility, we'll keep you up to date on the build as it continues this spring. And that's a look at our latest Minimizer video blog. I'll see you back here next time.